Here's the answer for the day one bell work. Let's explore some equivalent numbers. For each, write the fraction as a decimal, or if given a decimal, write it as a fraction. Question A is 0.25. This is the fraction 1/4. If you don't have that memorized, then you can arrive at the answer 1/4 by literally reading the decimal as a fraction. The 2 is in the tenths position, and the 5 is in the hundredths position. This decimal is, in words, 25 hundredths. 25 hundredths looks like this. Then you can simplify the fraction, top and bottom both divide by 25. And that creates 1/4. Question B, 0.2 is the fraction 1/5. Now, if you don't have that memorized, read the decimal literally. What I mean by that is, don't say 0.2. Say 2/10. 2/10 looks like this, and then top and bottom are both divisible by 2. Question C, 1.5 is 1.5. Alternatively, this could be written as 3/2. The directions don't really make clear whether we're looking for a mixed number or a fraction. Now, I hope that you know that the decimal 0.5 is the fraction 1/2. I mean, you should know that fact. But if you don't, this is 1 and 5/10. And then reduce that fraction. Question D. Now it reverses. We're given a fraction and we're asked what is the decimal form of this fraction. 1/3 is 0.3 repeating as a decimal. Now 1/3 is a really common fraction. You're going to use that all the time in Algebra 1 class, and it's worth just memorizing that it's 0.3 repeating. To figure out the decimal that is equivalent to a fraction when you don't have it memorized requires long division. 3 divides into 1. 3 doesn't divide into 1. And so it's necessary to put a dot and then an extra placeholder 0. That dot gets moved straight up above, and now you can go 3 divides into 10, which is 3 times. 3 times 3 makes 9. Subtract and you get a 1. Then fill in an extra placeholder 0 and bring it down, and you've created a 10 again. 3 divides into 10, 3 times. 3 times 3 makes 9. And so on. This is going to continue forever, and that's why the answer is 0.3 repeating. This is a lot of work, and it is a lot faster to just memorize the decimals that go with common fractions. So commonly used fractions are like 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 of something, 1/5 of something. For those fractions, put in the effort to learn the decimals that go with them. Question E, 1/2 is 0.5.